Governor for Southwest, Oga Bernard Okalabilai, he dey for Kumba since for morning time country people them. Now for see the kind of thing we pass for Kumba big hospital and for Tonton too. For see some of the sick people then way they carry them, change them for hospital. Sabi say waka away governor make am for that side. So for Kumba this morning time it starts now for the hospital say where the Bonham. Then Governor Bernard Okalabilai he waka too he reach for side way they call am say PMI for back Kumba side day for side where they keep some of the sick people them. Governor too he don't turn reach for that side. So for Mabanda now for army camp for see some of the uniform people then too they don't get caught for sicker say they did struggle for say make people they no take country. Sabi say governor he go the turn finish he waka for Kumba small time then he turn back for Boya side. Tori enter with EM say road he be blocked like some 3 times for road and na so to popcorn he be halam as we governor he be the waka for go for that side. So for Kumba image he go the trolley cam for some time for the waka way governor Bernard Okalabilai he make am for place where they call am say Kumba today number 12 day for inside number 2 moon 2019. So for Tori for this afternoon we go concentrate plenty now for on top a big day for young people them for youths for Cameroon where it pass for 11 February. We go take una we go for place them like Akumbu. We take una go to for Santa where a youth they no march even as YCPDM now only them march for that side. Now so too we go take una we go for side where they call am saying Kambem. From Kambe side we be see plenty population where it be come out. Bamenda security be there plenty. Now so two people they be come out for march. Boya too population be come out inside Tori for this afternoon. Now palava for Tori for 11 February as well it pass for all corner. If time is left we go talk with the newspaper talk am and even as well new big people them they don't enter for inside school. Big part talk he dey tell we say wetin say a farmer person he no dey turn up for faraway place for talk say he corn he don strong he must to open am before he sabi say corn don strong. As say person wey dey for farm he no fit ever turn up for faraway talk say corn he don strong. He must to turn up for faraway for talk say he dey so corn he never strong. He must open am for say he see as wey the corn he don strong. Now Abumbi Charles for inside Acha Hospital for Douala here. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon at the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. As so we talk for while a strong Tori, we go surely turn back with the image for tomorrow where we meet up for him. Sabi say governor for Southwest, Bernard Okalabilai, he dey for Kumba just now. As so the knock Tori for him. Sabi say come up for Boyana decent time for go see the hospital where they born am for Kumba. He be there for general hospital where they born am. He see some of the sick people them where they don't change them side where they sleep just now. Now so to wakam, he reach for army camp for that side. So for Mabanda but Tori we enter we here he tell we say he dey like say it no be easy for him as we on 3 occasion them for road he dey like say road he be block and 2 popcorn he be hala for road as we governor he be the go for that side. So for Kumba this afternoon as we talk image he dey for road we go surely show another one for afternoon or for morning time when we meet up for this side for Equinox Story House chapter for this afternoon we dey concentrate now for 11 February how the 11 February pass on different sides inside Combo. We talk now with the photo now only the few people that they be turn come for inside Combo for can see as we 11 February waka for side for Combo and now how many picking them most of them as one as see them now big near them to them now all people then that with the march for that side. So for Combo as we they be the glad big day for 11 February Cameroon National Youth Council for Combo even near SSF it day for inside. So for inside Kumbu for Norway's now just the photo that for tell na the kind of way where 11 February it pass for that side. So for Kumbu population it no be show head plenty now only few people them where they get hurt they come up for outside Ogadi SDOSSF it be there for outside near the SSF they be there for all corner to them they be full up for security now all the few people that they be turn march for that side. So for inside Kumbu Cameroon National Youth Council SSF for Kumbu we be get near them for inside. So now so the big day it be happen for place where they call am say Kumbu. Now for inside Norwest where we start Tori this afternoon. We go left that palaver for 11 February for Kumbu. We enter now so for Santa. So for inside Norwest. Sabi say for inside Santa side for Norwest. It starts now with the arrival for big man for inside Santa. We know got TOSSF where he enter so for that side for Santa. Now palaver for salute. The people there they be appear for inside the big Gando place near them. And even Ketu ground place where they did main Gando. It be then empty. As well na Sesebo na Fisi and with I crow eye them population it no be over there plenty for that side for talk come goods it be there na only palaver for party for CPDM na them with other big people them for inside Santa they be appear for that side so for grandstand for glad big day where it be there na for young Cameroonian them youth them for Cameroon where they say na future leader them for inside we country but inside this arrangement as well as the CM na so people them uniform people them and CPDM na them they be full up the whole place for that side so for Santa. Last una go ask and say na who them go through match. Sabi say oga through Jonathan Seseb ibidede like head boy for CPDM people them for inside Santa ibidede for see as well the big day it happen for that side so for Santa. Who the last match for big day for youth people them for Santa na so people them na palava for say waiting na CPD and Seseb a last match. No primary school, no nursery school, no secondary school. Now only CPDM. It last do match for 11 February for that side so for Santa. As well as the CM. Now only the people then that way the match. No other people they no match. Sabi say ebide na palava for big day for inside Santa. But it tonton be nothing way ebide like say na 20th May for inside Santa. As well young people they no be even they say for match. After where they finish match pass, Sabi say na so them Gando Seseb a finish for that side so for Santa for inside Norway. So ebide na only them for grandstand. Young man it no be there. Even the people they say way they be get for match way be there that day when a primary school picking them. Nursery school picking and even college and other youth association them they know they na only so we see them for inside place where they call them say Santa. Now how the road says for reach Santa ebide na big trouble for Sika say road for enter Santa for 11 February ebide big MTS e be dry where you say you feel Naki and Dambam all store them for corner roads e be lock no one man e no be there outside so for that side so for inside Santa as well welcome now one people they will turn will meet up them for roads no ask me sorry they be the go but as well be there inside motor where we be the turn for inside street them for side for Santa we no be meet up even one eye motor where the turn for roads we no meet up even Okada or even people that will fit talk say all them they be the go now for go match so place e be just quiet for that side so for Santa for 11 February now for inside Bamenda we dey so we go left this palava for roads Sabi say yes country Sunday ebide but make we see thing wey be pass after match pass wey happen for Santa side. Youth Day for Santa, it been a day for a party Gando for inside Santa Day. Sabi say this Gando for you day for Santa, we get other side for the auditorium. For inside the match will happen for Santa, make we enter for this other side. Now the only person this way he can make match for SDF for Santa. And he carry own message na he want a match for inside Santa Day as on the CM he the match say 2019 February say he want a dialogue so now only he want be the party for SDF person where he match for Santa Day no other person he no be there for a back for talk say now so the he waka go reach for his own side he turn come come back. Now only one emerge with SDF party close for place where they call am say Santa for inside Norwest. Make we see the other part.
I say, what will be the meaning for the message we carry out?
I want a dialogue. Yes, for trouble for Cameroon.
So the message we carry out, a message for dialogue.
Yes, me Cameroonian dialogue.
Yes, Santa, we go come up for Santa. We enter now, so we hear waiting one of the people that will be there for the big day for you day. Through Jonathan, he talk for Mbu Stella.
I want to thank the youth for Santa. Where they be travel, come for Yaoundé, come talk for me, the section president say, on 11th of February, they go march. Today be 11th of February, they use them there here in their numbers, they don't march for Santa without any problem. So I want to thank them for encouraging them, say, may they continue for defend this country. May they continue for defend we beloved president, when our President Phobia, we get a lot of concern and interest for them. I want to thank them. Thank the security forces. Thank we elite for Santa where they don't support we plenty. We tell them, say, me they don't fear. May they come every time we get celebration. May they come because Santa is their home. They never abandon Santa for anybody.
Yes, we finish with Santa. Just so Sabi say if Santa be been a palaver for only one part we make mash for you days school picking the no be day. We enter for Cambe when another town for inside Norwest for talk say the population for school picking them they be there them plenty where they come out whether na primary school or na college or even youth association them plenty people them they come out for that side so from Cambe now for inside and Norwest so for do this mash wey happen. Now just so tell we say for that side so from Cambe for inside Norwest. Now the main town for side for Bamenda and even place where they call am saying Cambe where a school picking they come out plenty where they mash where no nothing it no be happen for that side. Now for tell we say all side for inside Bamenda no the hear hot as we government primary school them and even a private primary school them all them they be come out for outside for so say this will be then at that big day as we see that picking sesep it did dance so for ya before from Cambe sabi say all the arrangement it don't be na on top one of the people them where they call am say Gerard Ngala na say make and so we all thing it happen but sabi say people there from Cambe they never deny say palava no dey for inside country they dis also beg say make Nkunkuma it try for see as we peace it go last turn back way all two they go do am with any they go do am where they no get fear for their mind. So just for tell we say for inside Cambe for Norwest mash it happen whether na the small picking them or na the big one or even the over big one them all man it be there for outside for make 11 February where it be there na the true day where young people them for Cameroon they be get for show say it dey so na that big day way country it don't give am for them for glad and for show say it dey so themselves they dey important for inside we country. So from Cambe all thing waka fine school picking them they be dey outside plenty for do thing way they get for do am for inside that side so for Cambe. Sabi self say apart from school picking the way they march we be get even youth association then too where they be come out for outside them plenty for that side so for inside Cambe for make their march. Now some of the youth association this for other place them will not be fit for see am like place or combo and even for Santa we don't finish come out for that side youth association them they no be there outside plenty we fit also the march but for inside Santa Cambe as one of the CM youth association them they be come out now so even higher school them for learn book then say they be there for outside for see as well they glad their big them for place where they call them say Cambe inside Bamenda. Make we left una now so make una see the other side for this Ngando for that side so from Cambe we go left una see where we picking the door.
I'm not sure.
Nkambedat for Bamenda as a big day for youth people them it happen for that side the way we ICM na so we the talk na so sef we take una we work na enter for the big town sef the headquarter the big office Bamenda sef Oga governor sef we dey call it Adolphe Lele Lafrique na sef be dey for inside the Ngando ground for see as we Ngando pass so for that side so for Bamenda sabi say even as we the population e no be comot that kind of way the ever use to comot for Bamenda the one day they be comot all man e glad for sika say the mash e happen for inside Bamenda if you na see am fine section for grandstand e no be dey open but that one e no be dey flop as we so na only on one side be dey governor sef Adolphe Lele Lafrique e glad with the people there they comot na few primary secondary school pikin dem sef they be comot too for make mash for that side so for inside Bamenda wey na headquarter you go fit for counter number people there they come out for that side so for GBHS for inside Bamenda for make mash after that one we be get even primary school there they mash but na the teacher them they even mash for place for primary school as so una the siam then university for Bamenda na dem say they be come out them plenty wey they be make mash so for inside that side so for Bamenda as we plenty of the school picking them for university for Bamenda they be come out for talk say true na them be youth and na them be tomorrow big people them inside we country and other people then too they turn make mash for inside Bamenda but sabi say the mash e no be overstay for sika say number for people there no plenty security and roads e be dey empty as well they go for side where they the main Ngando na so we see picture for Bamenda for day where they be the make mash but sabi say they no be left no nothing for play they no left no nothing for play na near them sef na security people they be bring school picking them for inside fee yes all corner for inside a place where mash be get for happen you be get as uniform people them for corner for look out say no man e no come out with a cut for his skin or they no thief no one person for that side so for inside Bamenda so security e be then a number one thing for inside big day for 11 February where e pass for Bamenda. We go left a chapter for Bamenda. We go take una just now. We enter for Boya. Boya too, it be then a place where people they be check say people they no go come out. But the population come out for that side for Boya. Even as we plenty they don't put question whose side they come out and how the money enter. Now the big question that people they never feel for answer them. But on top everything now for talk say the youth day it pass better for inside Bongo Square for people they the sabi side where people they demarch and all man it talk congratulate for Oga Mayor for that side for Boya way in name na Eke Mapachi Kesungem we ISSM na be dey back all these are people them and the mobilization will happen for inside Boya for 11 February. We go take una now so enter for Limbe inside Limbe 2 sabi sef say Limbe side na Oga Emmanuel Egamba Ledu wey SSM na SDO for Afako division na e be she don for front chair for that side so for Limbe for see as we 11 February e pass for that side we get some chief them grandstand for Manga Williams Avenue e be flop small pikin dey be dey for march but according to tori wey enter with EM say plenty private school dem and some mission school dem dey no march some school dey wey dey march na only dem 4 or dem 5 plus teacher dem as one official for inside image wey dey talk but sabi say according to tori wey we eye and ear for side for Limbe e talk for him population no be comot that kind of way sabi say Limbe for the kind of big day all corner for Manga Williams Avenue e dey tight you no dey even get place for put her face for see as we mash e dey happen by the time e be the blow all man wey e be there for Manga Williams Avenue wey na place where they dey march you be get Gomna secondary school them but some private school they no march just as we private school them too and even denominational school them they no march for that side so for Limbe for 11 February na image we dey talk on top no other thing even CPDM scouts some of the people then too they be joined for glad big day for 11 February for that side so for inside Limbe. We go left Limbe, we go take una enter for side for Ekondo Titi, Manadin, okay. Make we just finish for Kumba. Nadine will surely enter to for Ekondo Titi for talk as we pass. But for Kumba, as we na this am so country people them, where we don't first show na this chapter, DO they be day present, mayor them, no be na all they be day present. We hear say na only one mayor, he be day present for day place where they be the march for inside Kumba way na Oga Ntu Ndong Shambalen, he be the senior divisional officer for that side. Two mayor them, they no be there present after where they sing national anthem for before una say una go take una crow eye see wait way be dey like for grandstand for that side so for Kumba all place it be dey empty wey mean say after where they finish here talk when Nkunkuma give for you them Oga Ezio he make interview he go na around 15 or how many people them where they be there for grandstand no primary school pikin no be there and no matching e no be pass for that side where they call am say Kumba anyway na head office or headquarter for Meme division. Manadin, before we take people them go for enter for inside Bonaberry, maybe you go show us enter for Ekondo Titi side. Now Ekondo Titi side that way this year I'm so calling people them for inside the Meme division. Ekondo Titi even as we population will be come out too, but compared to the other population where it be come out for 2017 or 2018, this year population Iwaka fine. Now Oga Dio Sesep it be day for see as we picking them mash primary school there they match with color clothes and even some secondary school them so all the one them a pass now for before DOI for that side so for Ekondo Titi where it dey for under Meme division. We finish for outside our country, make we enter now so for Douala for talk say at the youth day too. It be happen fine for place where they call am say Douala. One of the places that will be day now for Bonaberry where a small picking then say they be make their mash turn around inside place just for sabi say for inside the mash where it pass for Bonaberry the young Cameroonian them they show which way they fit for Douam sabi say all the primary school them as well if you see and say for this image now school that way it be get ban making mash we get even other primary school them second primary school for Ngomnam private and even big people them and the big stranger way become for inside the mash for side for Bonaberry it be then a demand where they call it say Serge Espoir Matomba now it be the stranger for inside mash wey happen inside the Bonaberry site as we can see as we young Cameroonian them they be the duty way they sabi for they get for Douam and they get for Douam with all their mind so Serge Espoir Matomba be one of the strongest them inside a Bonaberry site as we young people them they make mash for 11 February. Make we hear waiting now with one person he talk for Chief Robert Mukube a microphone.
The youth they walk up and down, security be there. All school come out, they march pass well. Before the beginning of the youth day, we hear the speech of the head of state. The president said that make the youth leave drugs, may they not take drugs, may they not take alcohol, may they study because they are the future of Cameroon. May they know say Nkunkuma the talk say may they work harder because tomorrow now they will rule this country. So I want to just talk about the theme of this youth day. Youth, great opportunity for peace, stable and emergent Cameroon. The theme means that the emergence for Cameroon for 2035 will be your work. If you want to be emergent for 2035, you must start now, work hard.
Yes, if you want Tanzania country go for before 2035. Now for all man for work hard, we go left chapter for 11 February for enter for Manowo Bay for talk say 2,000 new officer them. We after they finish do training, they go Abina na B people them. They don't already take them for that side so for Manowo Bay. Now road that for enter. Now for ground they should on as we them say they will take instruction. Sabi say na 2,000 we are people them for B just now. They don't already give them a recruit for enter for the Sabi say now another level this where they get for train after after when they finish train, then now they go graduate, where they go talk say two. They don't turn a new officer them for inside that side. So for B, so now the new people then that we B, it don't just recruit them. They did them 2,000 where they take them inside work, and it be then that they want that where they be the talk for them camp goods as well they be the enter for inside B, and now for outside for roads where all them they be she done and they give them commandier say now so we dey for inside here now so you no get for do the one no do that one all that commandier them now way oga big man sesep it be the giam for the new 2,000 people them where they just enter for that side. So for inside Manowo Bay sabi say na place where it is so where you enter now for you for remain strong. If you not strong then now you sabi now last you go come up for outside training now for your start now them 2,000 as we are talk where they don't give them a recruit for inside B just now, and it be then that day for enter for inside B camp. Make we see them the other side as we see them for that side for Limbe.
C'est Equinox.
On va passer à la télé.
Ouais.
Les bureaux, ma mère doit connaître.
Regarde, voilà la caméra.
Si tu veux te donner mon pantalon si là non, c'est un problème. Ça ne me sert plus à rien, moi je vais tomber.
Yes, now so we see now the new officer than that where they get for go learn again small 2,000 where they don't enter for inside BJS now. Now so we see country for this afternoon country people there we don't talk for now say be then a chapter for 11 February inside the Guardian Post newspaper this time we go enter for some of the strong number them. They tell we even as we moto and place they know the open for that side so for Northwest Southwest say you day it be happen fine for some town them for Northwest and Southwest inside the same chapter they tell we as we 4 or 6 people them they be born inside that fireway it be meet up at hospital for that side so for Kumba inside chapter for Norwest Southwest they will tell it to as we 15 right group then just now they don't talk for United Nations may they put eye on top the palava way they happen for Norway and Southwest. Sabi say for one of the strong number them they say former indomitable lion man they don't kidnap you for that side for Kumba but according to way Deep Akem Victor Sesep he talk for we he talk say they for a house fine for Kumba say no man he never ever carry come up for outside. So the Guardian Post they say Deep Akem he dey house and no nothing it never happen for he according to way talk for we after we talk for morning time. Now so make we enter for inside the media newspaper too way dey for outside con the people them inside the media newspaper way dey for outside this time waiting there for the media newspaper they tell we say chapter for waiting gone away in the alarm and people there they die for Sikadi Palava lockdown we place in no open for Norway and Southwest. Them too they ask na quick big question true now put fire for Kumba hospital and why where they put the fire now the question that where they meet and they ask them they tell we for under say 4 people then die inside that one plenty other room them for hospital born now so to they tell we ngomna uniform peoples they point hand for amber people them now so to amber too in the point hand for uniform people then say na them born now the thing that way the media newspaper it talk they tell we to say the palava 10 day where they lock up place say that one it don't make you day gando it no pass fine for Northwest and Southwest other tori the day for inside the median where you fit for reader we enter for inside the Horizon newspaper to a day 2 for outside inside the Horizon they tell we palava for Northwest Southwest and a palava for come to where the Kasham United Nations Secretary General SSF it don't talk for Prime Minister Chief Dr. John Gute why all the thing that they happen sabi say them too they be meet up for Addis Ababa. If you want hear all the thing way pass enter for the Horizon newspaper. Now who born Kumba hospital question where the Horizon SSF in the ask and this time they tell we to say inside the same chapter they tell we as way it dey so PCC SSF it dey for inside BB palava for waiting palava for Chakara. Why they talk so the Horizon it get reason for why we put that kind of strong number for it before. Now some of the newspaper then that we look for inside today so country people them. Now, so we see Tori for this afternoon. Our SWA talk, it be then a special 11 February for all corner for inside we country. Tomorrow, we go surely turn back for some of the Trump number them for 11 February where it happened. Plus, waka for Oga Governor for Kumba as we go prepare that image for now for morning at time. Thank you plenty, Dallas Chana, Malis, and even you as Zephyrin Gondi, and you and Nadine, where you did for one side. All man, he join hand for say make this chop is sweet fine. Make pepper no pass, make salt no pass, make sugar too, or make other thing they no pass. So, can the people them, we go meet up, saute for some time. If Papa God 11, on a whole I'm tight for outside.